Ayun, so we have a question. Thoughts on the issue na hindi nasusuportahan ng MetaTrader ang mga prop firms? Hindi naman sa hindi susuportahan. It's more on wala naman silang choice. Hindi natin ikakaila that there's a lot of prop firms na doing shady stuff, di ba? And the US is actually cracking down on those ano naman, those prop firms, which is okay. No problem naman yun, di ba? At least kung talagang mali yung ginagawa nila, at least correct, di ba? Yung mga ganon. This is gearing towards regulations naman, implementation of regulations. So, it's a good thing. Although, for now, medyo magulo talaga. Alam mo yun. Actually, yun nga yung parang nangyayari ngayon sa group ko doon. The EA development course is mainly MetaTrader 5 programming eh. So, I'm thinking of including na kung paano maggawa ng bridger,